Today we're working on a 2006 model Dodge Charger, I believe. 06 model Dodge Charger, 5.7 Hemi. Customer states he was driving down the road, parked the car, ate a sandwich, he said, and went to start the car, and all it done was clicked. So, what I've done so far is got the battery on the charger. I ain't been able to test this, but I did put a breaker bar on the motor to see if it even turned over, and it's locked up tight. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull the plugs out of it on both sides and then try and turn it over and look at the plugs and see if there's anything in the cylinders or anything that would obstruct it from turning over. Another theory that I have is the starter could be locked into the flywheel somehow, or have it locked up somehow. So if I can get the plugs out, try and turn it over then, and then try to pull the starter out, I guess, and then try and start and spin it over, see if it'll spin over. And if it won't, then it's probably going to be an internal issue. Something had to be tore down. But we're going to get these plugs out real quick. I'll be right back with you. Okay, we got the plugs at a cylinder, assuming would be one. No, this would be probably two on this side. I'm not a big Dodge man. I'm a Chevy and Ford guy. I'm just diagnosing. So plugs look fine on this cylinder, so I'm gonna pull the rest of them out on this side, and I'll be right back with you. While I'm taking this plug here out, I did notice something though. They're running Champion plugs in this thing. You know, I'm not a connoisseur of a Champion. I'm more of a E3 or what goes in it type of person. I'm not sure what goes in Dodge motors, and it may be Champion, but so far what we're getting, I mean, they're looking good on this side, and I've only got 2 cylinders out though. We're gonna keep pulling. I'm just beginning to believe that there's nothing wrong with the motor physically. These plugs are looking fine. I mean, these over here may be different. I may pull one out and it may just be smashed flat, and there may be a valve dropped. Could be anything really. I'll probably end up getting an inspection scope, running it down in there, making sure we don't have any valves contacting pistons anywhere, or no kind of damage, anything. Because the guy was driving the car and it just shut off. He just shut it off, and then it went started back and it just clicked. So we're gonna keep on looking here. All right, I didn't quite get them pulled out because I've been battling some buddies. Good Lord, these things are everywhere. So let's get back to what we did. They got all the plugs out, both sides, all 16 of them. Thank you, Dodge. So these plugs on this side were Mopar plugs, Mopar Champion, so I'm assuming they put Champion in these engines. On this side, they were all aftermarket Champion, so someone replaced all the plugs on one side, not the other. So that's a nice fact to know. So motor still won't turn over. Bad news. So possibly good news though. It could just be the starter locked up. So we're going to attempt to access the starter and see if the gear is engaged, or if it's retracted, or to really just see what's going on. I'm going to get an inspection scope, run it down these spark plug holes and make sure we ain't got no valve sideways or something. Because you never know about these Hemis. And that's Hemi for you. Alright, got all the plugs out, starter's off, motor's still locked up. Just a good prover, it won't budge. I don't know if we can get down here and see the starter or not. It is off. Motor's still locked tighter than a Tick's hat band, so it'll be getting a new crate motor by somebody